Abusing our hair with frequent use of chemical-laden products and treatments can cause build-up and leave it looking dull and lifeless. For a much-needed detox, here are some hydrating hair mist recipes made with natural ingredients to tackle every hair concern. If there's one life-saving hair product we would recommend every girl to carry in her purse, it has to be the Rosewater Hair Mist. This natural hair mist aids in managing dry hair and controlling frizz at any given point of the day. Take 1 cup of rose water, 3 teaspoons coconut oil and half teaspoon aloe vera gel. Mix well and pour it in a spray bottle. Spritz it on and smooth it over your hair to tame them flyaways. If you are frequently scratching your head and revealing possible flakes of dandruff, the Rosemary Hair Mist is what you need to lift your spirits. Rosemary has medicinal properties that keep the scalp clean, fight dandruff, and even promote hair growth. Boil 2 cups of water, add to it 2 tablespoons rosemary leaves, cover and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and allow it to cool. The water will turn brown in color. Strain the liquid in a spray bottle and add 1 teaspoon almond oil and 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. Spray it on and massage your roots whenever your scalp tends to have an itch flare. Green tea is consumed all over the world for its various health benefits. But did you know it also helps prevent hair loss? It's a rich source of vitamin E and C that strengthen the hair structure, stimulates hair growth, and also prevents split ends. Take a cup of hot water and soak a green tea bag in it. Once cooled, add half teaspoon glycerin, 3 drops of peppermint essential oil, and pour it in a bottle. Glycerin hydrates the hair, whereas peppermint oil gives the scalp a cooling effect. Shake well and spray it all over your hair, giving special attention to the roots. We all know how important it is to wear sunscreen daily to protect our skin from UV rays. But we tend to forget our hair and scalp are equally exposed to the sun, which can leave the hair looking dry and brittle. The coconut water hair mist acts like a natural sunscreen containing antioxidants that hydrate the hair shaft and prevent it from frizz. Mix 2 cups fresh coconut water, 1 teaspoon coconut oil and 1 teaspoon argan oil. Pour it in a bottle and spray it on before leaving the house for a boost of moisture. Worried about your hair falling flat immediately after styling? Here's a chemical-free way to create a setting spray that not only provides long-lasting hold but also smells divine. In 2 cups of water, add 1 sliced orange and 1 teaspoon sugar. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer until the quantity reduces to half. Strain the liquid and allow it to cool. Oranges are rich in pectin, a thickening agent, which when combined with sugar and water provides amazing hold. Spray it on to add some shine and to keep your hairstyle in place throughout the day. These natural hair mists are a great way to refresh and pamper your hair in between wash days and are just as easy to create. Don't forget to carry it along for some on-the-go hair therapy. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.